Hello everyone, welcome back to my chemistry class. Today we are going to study about a topic: burning of fuels leads to harmful products. The increasing fuel consumption has harmful effects on the environment. Carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburned carbon particles. Okay, carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum. These release unburned carbon particles. And these unburned carbon particles are dangerous pollutants. This causes respiratory diseases such as asthma. Okay, once more, wood, coal and petroleum are carbon fuels. And these fuels release unburned carbon particles. These carbon particles are dangerous pollutants that causing respiratory diseases such as asthma. Second one, incomplete combustion of these fuels that gives carbon monoxide gas. Okay, incomplete combustion of these carbon fuels that gives carbon monoxide gas. This carbon monoxide is a very poisonous gas. Okay, this carbon monoxide is very poisonous gas, and it is very dangerous to burn coal in a closed room. Once more, incomplete combustion of carbon fuels gives carbon monoxide gas. It is a very poisonous gas. This gas can kill persons that sleeping in that room. Okay, it is a dangerous gas. The carbon monoxide gas produced can kill persons sleeping in that room. Are you clear? The first point is wood, coal and petroleum are carbon fuels. These release unburned carbon particles. These carbon particles are pollutant and it causes respiratory diseases such as asthma. Second one, incomplete combustion of these fuels gives carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide gas is very poisonous gas. So it is dangerous to burn coal in a closed room. That means coal is a carbon. Okay, so it is very dangerous to burn coal. That is, coal is carbon. So it is very dangerous to burn coal in a closed room. The carbon monoxide gas produced that can kill persons sleeping in that room. Third one, combustion of most fuels that releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, combustion of most fuels that releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So, as a result, the amount of carbon dioxide in air increases. So, it will cause global warming. Okay, combustion of most fuels that releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, in the environment. As a result, carbon dioxide gas increases in environment. So it leads to the condition of global warming. Fourth one, burning of coal and diesel. These two products release a sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, burning of coal and diesel that releases sulfur dioxide gas. It is an extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. Okay, coal and diesel which burning releases sulfur dioxide gas. Petrol engine that releases nitrogen oxide. Are you clear? Coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas and petrol engines releases nitrogen oxide in atmosphere. And these oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the atmosphere that dissolve in rainwater and form acid rain. It is very harmful for crops, buildings and soil. Are you clear? Once more, burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas in atmosphere. Burning of petrol releases nitrogen oxide gas in atmosphere. So this sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in atmosphere mixed with rainwater, and it makes the rainwater acidic in nature. This is called acid rain. It is very harmful for crops, buildings and soil. Okay. So, the remedial measure is the use of diesel and petrol as fuels in automobiles is being replaced by CNG. Okay. So, the use of diesel and petrol as fuels in automobiles is being that replaced by CNG, that is compressed natural gas, because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amount. So, diesel and petrol are replaced by CNG. CNG is a cleaner fuel. Okay, students, this chapter is over. Now, almost our chemistry portions are over. All of you study well. We will meet you on next class. Take care. Bye.